bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal?
Do you know what the bad guy looks like?
I got it!
Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Now, find out where the bad guy is.
Look and find out where the bad guy looks like this. Awesome! Thank you!
You're welcome.
Uh-oh! There's a flock of sheep blocking the road. Honk the horn to drive the sheep away.